How you doing? Todd Uminski, Sunday morning, 5 in the morning. Getting up early, driving into Boston, getting some work done with the MBTA. Weekend shutdown. Nobody's on the road today. It's nice and early. Maybe one car here, one car there. It's a few other people trying to get it done, trying to get things accomplished, moving forward in life. You know, stop bitching out there. Sometimes you got to do what you're not happy doing. You just got to get up and do it. You want to get ahead in life. Work hard. Put some effort into it. Don't be lazy. No excuse out there. Let's go. Motivate, move. Got to do something. You can't expect handouts. Can't expect that things are going to come easy. Sometimes you just got to put the hard effort in. Keep moving forward. As I always say, write down your plan your work, and start working that plan every day. Put effort into your dreams, put effort into your goals. Let's go, everybody out there. Look at Sunday morning. You think I want to do this? I'm doing it because I have to do it, because I have a goal, I have dreams. So get out there. Hope this helps someone out there to stay motivated. Get your work done. Talk to you soon.